Here is the long overdue video overview of the Xbox 360 PC mod version 2. Just give you a quick overview of the externals. So it looks like the old Xbox 360. And on the back you can see here, I've got my HDMI cable plugged in, audio cable, USB to the keyboard and mouse, and power supply, rather like the laptop power supply, going up to a micro power supply which is actually rigged up inside. So around the front you can see here the power light corresponds to the power. The ring of light is now been set up to be the hard drive activity. So if I get the computer just to do something quickly, you can see it flashes for this activity. The other major change is that the DVD drive is a fully ejecting one, as you can see here. It is actually the original Xbox 360 DVD drive with a modded firmware so that Windows can actually see the drive and actually read the data from it. So I've shown here, drive is here, but it picks up a CD drive. The only issue I've encountered with the firmware is that Windows does not understand how to tell the drive to read data at full speed. So while it can actually read the data on the drive, you can see it's actually picked that up now. Oh wait, it's now gone to try to... No, open it and supposed to try and... I will try and copy that folder. You can see it's only copying at 500 kilobytes per second. I've not found a solution to this issue yet. So when copying data from DVD drives or when trying to install programs from the drive, it can take a painstakingly long time because it's only operating at, I don't know, about 1 or 2 speed. I have this actually did affect the DVD video playback as well, but I found with programs such as any DVD, which can regulate DVD's drive speeds, you can at least get videos to play properly. So this is a DVD lens cleaner video.
This program contains the cleaning product.
As you can see, video playback on it is fine. Okay, just to show you the specs of the computer. It's running Intel Core 2 Duo at 2.93 GHz with 3 gigs of RAM. It's actually got 2 bays of DDR2 RAM, so I can actually fit a bit more. I can upgrade the RAM a bit in there if I wanted to. And it's got a 160 gig hard drive, which is actually built into the case itself. Before, I used to have it in an onto the external drive bay unit, which is now freed up. So I'm going to show you here. This port is fully functional. If I'd grab a normal Xbox 360 hard drive, plug it in, go to Device Manager, you can see the new device it's got at the moment is a Western Digital 160 gig hard drive. I guess scan for hardware changes. You can see now it has picked up the Xbox 360 drive. Go to Disk Management, you can see that as unallocated. So you can actually, if you just wanted more expansion space and you've got a spare one of those hard drives lying around, you can actually just stick it in, format it, and you will be able to use it in Windows as a secondary hard drive. As for general overview, I think that pretty much all covers it. You can see I'm probably bound to get loads of people saying it's fake, but As you can, I'm clearly showing you now. Here, the ports on the back. This is not a normal Xbox 360 or installed Windows. This is a modded Xbox 360 with PC components inside. And that's all. Thanks for watching.